Viscosity and softness indicate insufficient or improper curing. Issues include internal uncured areas, overall softness, or surface stickiness. Avoid excessive pigments or additives. It can hinder curing. Keep additives below 10%. For projects with many additives, plan ahead and cure in layers. Newly cured products are soft due to high temperature. They will harden as they cool. Viscosity issues are often due to the lamp. Ensure it's powerful enough or extend exposure time. Cure the front, then flip and expose the back. If viscosity issues persist, submerge the piece in water and expose it to light. Water refraction increases energy,